Have you ever wondered how to make your iPad never turn off? Like you want to put a timer on and you don't want it to turn off so the other people can see how much time is left. So today I will be showing you how to make your iPad never turn off, or maybe 15 minutes or 10 minutes according to your preference. So over here, just go to settings. I'm just going to show you with this. I've turned it on. Go to settings. Then you're going to scroll down from here. You're going to see something called display and brightness. I want you to click on that. So once you've clicked on it, you want to scroll down, and near the bottom you're going to see auto lock. Now I can't click on it because I've turned on low power mode. I'm just going to turn that off now. So now I can click on it. Auto lock is 10 minutes over here. So I put it to 10 minutes. You can change it to 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So basically what this does is 2 minutes after I tap the screen like that, then it'll turn off. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, same thing. And never, over here it says your iPad may use more energy with this setting. So I don't recommend doing that, but for example, you're putting a very long timer, you should do never something. I don't know, maybe you're doing AFK, I don't really care. But I just recommend, if you're doing never, put your iPad or iPhone or your Mac or whatever in charging. I'm doing this on an Apple iPad. I'm not sure if this is there for Samsung or Android because I've never used them. So please put this in charge if you're using never, because one time I put in never and I accidentally drained all my battery. Oh no, it's 99. So I'm just gonna put it back to 10 minutes. And if you turn on this, it'll automatically change to 2 minutes. There's nothing you can do about this. So here's how you use it, and yeah, hope you enjoyed.